So I've made a couple of these videos trying to just make it one that makes me look good, I guess, because it's my first video that I've webcam this. I keep looking at myself in the computer and it looks bad on video, but I can see myself. So today, like most days, I woke up early for zero period for band, and we got to run a mile. It was really windy and cold, and I played trombone, and it was really cold when I held it. We had a rally today, and I wrote 2010 on my hands to support the year I graduate. Yes, 2010. X for 10, for you lamos that don't know that. After school practice was alright. I learned a new visual. Now I'm getting to my band nerdiness, but that's what I do all day. So hope you enjoyed my randomness and enjoy the rest of your day.